Liris Chica, isang veteranang aktres, may binuking kina Donnie at Belle. Saad niya sa panayam ng isang mosang. After working for Bill Mariano for almost months, I witnessed how Donnie Pangilinan steps in when her mood shifts due to menstrual pain. Bill Mariano is lucky to have him. Donnie always seemed to know exactly what she needed, whether it was comfort food, warm blankets, or simply a quiet space. Or he'd make herbal teas and even draw baths with essential oils to help ease her discomfort.